Now she's a makeup bust.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Better like this and strong. Still he won't be for far. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now come along, children. All be now. It's time, and you stay close to me at all times or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Like a ready and cheese or not. Look at him. Now we're gonna be down so strong. But the neighbors screaming out. Fighting the yard room. Being about their fun. Why so rude?
Look at you, what does it matter?
Why belonging to all that?
It's only a secret election.
Why don't we play legal fiction?
Because you're scared of us. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop. Now, in a moment, you'll be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin. And you'll know she's a red panther flock around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she's looked up by milkmen and animals. Now, children, don't turn your toes. Just bow your head politely and say quack, 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 quack.
Honk! Look at him. Overnight, this all went wrong. Look at him. Did he leave in the afternoon?
Congratulations, Ida. They're delightful. Thank you, Your Grace. Tell me, that big fellow up there, whatever happened there? He's not exactly a classic beast of Potter, is he? I wish the others would all pick on him so. He'll turn all right as he gets older. Well, the others are a trumpet, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year. I was so sorry to hear about that. You must miss him terribly. He was a fine duck, the mandarin, but last he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life goes on. Now I understand that Maureen saw the children from the farmhouse throwing French bread to the water. Ta-da! You have to try it. Even the crusts are nice. Oh, Maureen, it's delicious. Come on, children. Make way for because I'm ugly.
Well, they are too cruel. I think you look delicious.
Wait, what did you say?
I said poultry can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that prey.
It's French. It's supposed to be nice.
Oh, Lauren, do you mean to say they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb.
Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
You mean it? You really are a friend?
Of course. Now just follow me.
I really think I should tell my mother.
Oh, no, you mustn't.
I really think I should.
Look, we won't be gone for long, and what harm can it do? You're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us.
Well, if you're sure.
I'm quite sure.
It's Ida I feel sorry for. How she managed to lay the egg, I'll never know. It makes my eyes water just thinking about it.
Well, I would use that to stuff a souffle with.
Talking to stuffing. Turkey. I don't suppose you'll be quite so full of yourself come Thanksgiving.
Oh, I hate that word.
There's nothing wrong with my son. He just looks a bit different, and that's why I think makes him someone rather special. I make an apology in order.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Wait a minute. Where's he gone?
I thought it was with you.
He was with me a moment ago.
Well, if he got any sense, he just probably wandered off to go find a bag to throw over his head.
Trey, that's enough.
Calm down, love. He's probably just wandered off to the lake. You know how he loves swimming.